Freecash.com tutorial in under 2 minutes. Step 1. Earn points from their massive earnings page. Each 1,000 points is worth $1. Points can be earned by completing surveys from options such as BitLabs. Surveys can pay anywhere from $1 to $3 if you're lucky. BitLabs is a great option because they pay even if you get rejected to encourage you to try again. You can also earn by completing offer walls such as Revenue Universe or AdGate Media. These will typically pay much higher. Easily $10 or more. You can also make a bunch from their rewards. This image is pathetically blurry, but what it shows is how you get 10 cents a day just for checking in as long as you are earning and you are active. And finally, my method of earning. You using my referral code so I can earn commissions. I will earn 5 cents for every dollar you make as long as you sign up using my referral code. Sure, you use my referral code. It guarantees you free money, so why not? Step 2. Now we cash out our hard work. You can choose from a galaxy of withdraw options. My favorite is Litecoin because it has no fees and low minimum withdraw. Holy moly! Withdrawing just feels so rewarding. And you'll receive your funds within the next 24 hours. Use my code in the pinned comment.